Mangwabe have to stop mentioning Macele's name when they have got an issue with the Musamseleko. When Macele start responding here, we can say Macele is a bad person, what, but Mangwabe is the one who is mentioning Macele's name. Macele, the wrong what she did to Mangwabe is to accepting Makwela. You know that Macele is not involving between Mangwabe and Musamseleko. Musamseleko, what he promised to Mangwabe. Musamseleko bring Makwela as he did to Mangwabe, because Musamseleko introduced Mangwabe to Macele, and Macele accepting Mangwabe as Musamseleko's wife. So now Mangwabe didn't want Macele to accept Makwela. Last time, Mangwabe says Macele's family are the reason why Musamseleko was admitted on season 8, because Macele's family, they negotiate with Musamseleko. You know that sometimes those things Mangwabe, what she says about Macele, when Macele start to respond here, we can say this woman is a bad person. Sometimes there is no need to blame Macele. Mangwabe want to control, what I saw, want to control, and she forgot her position. Mangwabe have to know her position. You know that Mangwabe was the one who decided to stay, not to leave Musamseleko. When she took that decision not to divorce Musamseleko, you have to tolerate and you've got her position, not to control Macele. Mangwabe says Macele is the reason why, Macele's family is the reason why Musamseleko was admitted at hospital. And Macele heard Mangwabe says on diaries. That's why you saw Macele was very angry at therapy sessions when she saw Mangwabe, because she remember her words, what she is saying on diaries on season 8, why Musamseleko was admitted. Even Musamseleko, guys, Musamseleko, sometimes I don't understand him. You know that sometimes when he is gossiping about Mangwabe with Macele, and he go back to Mangwabe and gossiping about Macele with Mangwabe. Mangwabe says, Musamseleko says he was with Macele's family, what. I don't understand sometimes that man, what's going on, you understand it? And Mangwabe says again about Macele's family, his sisters, what. It's not good, because tomorrow we will hate those people, Macele and Mangwabe. They are start fighting. Even Macele, she can get angry, guys. The wrong what she did, Macele, is to accept Makwela. And Mangwabe doesn't want anyone to accept Makwela. She want to control. Even with Makumalo, the way Makumalo is acting, what I saw, Makumalo, she is doing for her friend Mangwabe. She wants to impress Mangwabe, you understand, not to accept Makwela. It's not about maybe they have got an issue with Makwela. So Mangwabe want to control everyone. Even she saw Mayeni, Makumalo didn't accept Makwela because she wants Makwela to feel the pain. And you hate the person you don't know. You understand it? So Macele, the wrong she did is to accept Makwela. That's why Mangwabe says Macele's family. Macele's family, what? Because Macele is Musamseleko's first wife. Those people, they have got a power to accept or to take another wife, or to reject, or to tell Musamseleko that he have to marry another wife. Yes, they have got a power, Macele, because it's Musamseleko's first wife. Even Macele now, she took a decision that Musamseleko have to took another 60 wife. They don't have anything to say. She have to decide now that she is going to stay in that marriage or what. Mangwabe have to know her position. That is the fourth wife. You understand it? And when she took that decision to stay in that marriage, Mangwabe have to tolerate Musamseleko most of the time. You understand? Macele is the leader. You have to know that Macele is the leader of all Musamseleko's wives. So sometimes whether those wives they like it or not, you understand? Especially Mangwabe and Mayeni, they don't like Macele because it looks like Macele was the one who controlled Musamseleko. Macele is not controlling Musamseleko, guys. What I saw, Macele only tolerate Musamseleko. Everything Musamseleko what he say, tolerate. You understand? Macele is not controlling Musamseleko. Macele. Sometimes, guys,